Morning guys, I have a Ford S-Max and what's happened is the immobiliser activated on the car. This was due to my battery die. I haven't used the car for like 2-3 days and I didn't have any jump leads or power pack strong enough to start the car, so when I got round to charging the car, the battery was completely dead. So what happened is when I charged the battery, I tried to start it and the immobiliser was active and it wouldn't start. So I tried a few things. Firstly, I tried check all the fuses in the car. You have one in the engine compartment and you have one under the glove box and one in the boot on the left. Tested all of them, there's no blown fuses. So my next idea was I was researched on YouTube where you open and close your ignition 8 times to activate the key. Maybe the key was not synced with the immobiliser, but the windows, yeah, the windows did not work, but the car was able to open and close with the key. So my next idea was, I don't say it was an idea, I think I researched a bit. What I did was I disconnected the battery and I left it. I didn't think it was going to work because I tried everything else, and disconnecting the battery while I was on the phone to the garage, I was trying to look for someone to come and give me, mobile mechanic to give me some help, advice. They didn't have a clue. They just said they'd come round with the diagnostic machine and they can't guarantee. After that, I went back to the car. I hooked up the battery because I totally forgot about that, and it started first time. I was glad because it saves me almost over £200 to get someone out or to get the car towed to the garage. So hopefully it helps somebody else out there because these cars are a pain in the ass. Thank you for watching.